Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you come across this video. Okay, a quick one. Let's dive into this tutorial. If you are still finding it difficult to connect your Bless EVM wallet, this is how you go about it. Copy your Bless address. Just copy it from either your Mrs. or Kiwi browser, anywhere you are mining it from. Then come to your OKX wallet, click on discover. Once you click on discover, go to search button. You paste it because I've already done this already. I've already done this. You can see it's here. You search for it, it will open. Let's wait for it to open. Then you log in. I've already logged in before. I don't know why it's still taking me backwards. You put whatever wallet address you are using. Your email, you put whatever email you are using. Okay, you see the thing has already popped up. So once you put your email address, it will take you, they will send you a code to your mail. Then you copy that code and paste. Then you open here. I advise you put it in, switch it to desktop mode so that it will be very much easier for you to do. Then you come to these settings down here, click on settings, it will open. You can see I've already connected my own, but I don't want to disconnect because I don't know what's wrong with my this thing. Just click on, your own will be empty like this. Click on connect, then connect and sign in. Either you use your fingerprints or your any password that you are using. Then that's it, you are done. So guys, if you find this video very interesting or very attractive, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share for others to see what's going on here. Bye bye.